guys, once again it's Izzy here from Tech Tire and Wheel. One of the biggest keys to a successful tire repair is determining the proper size repair unit. Choosing the wrong size repair will not properly reinforce the repaired area, which could lead to a repair failure. Luckily, Tech takes the guesswork out of choosing the proper repair size with our handy Centech repair chart. With this chart and a few quick measurements, you'll know exactly what you need to get the job done right. Let's see how it works. First, measure the width of the injury. Width is always measured in the circumferential direction of the tire. Circumferential is just a fancy word for the running direction of the tire. Measure the injury at the widest point of removed body cables. Next, measure the length. Length is always measured along the radius of the tire. Once again, measure at the longest point of removed body cables. If the injury is in the crown or shoulder area of the tire, locate the corresponding column on the left side of the chart. Use the longer of the two measurements for length and width to locate the injury size. If the exact injury size is not found on the chart, always look for the first number that is larger than the measured injury size. Once the injury size is found, locate the tire size range that your tire falls within at the top of the chart. Then look to see where the two intersect. If the injury is a sidewall injury, you'll first need to find the width of the injury in the left-hand column on the chart. Once you have found the width or the first number larger than the measured width, then move to the length column and find the first number equal to or longer than the length you measured. Then find the corresponding tire size range at the top of the chart and look to see where the injury and the tire size intersect. Where these rows and columns intersect will show you precisely which Centech tire repair unit to install. You can find a copy of the Centech repair chart as well as links to other repair materials, videos, and more at techtirerepairs.com. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.